Hello everyone, and welcome to Pure CSS Knowledge Exchange. In this video, I am going to tell you about a great course by Google for machine learning. Anyone can attend this course if you are a student, or working professional, or looking for a job. Or you just someone wanted to have same skills. You can attend this course because it will build a strong foundation for machine learning. This training is going to be very helpful. If you are looking for or internship because you're going to learn all the skills needed, so let's get started. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. To get information focused on technology, innovation, computer engineering, free events, free certification, and much more. Also don't forget to like the Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. If you are enthusiastic about machine learning, Google is offering a crash course for you, which is absolutely free for everyone. This course is fast-paced. Practical introduction to machine learning. Let's see some of the features of this crash course by Google. So there are 30 plus exercises, 25 lessons, which are mainly video lessons. This is a 15 hours course, so you can expect ton of material about machine learning in this course. There will be lectures from Google researchers. Also you will see real-world case studies and enhance your learning a bit more. You will have interactive visualization for every day as well as in action, which can be very helpful in learning. So you can see, this is overall about crash course, machine learning by Google. If you click on the Start Crash Course here, you will directed towards page where you can see the modules of course over here, and videos starting from here. So the process of the course is very simple. If you have a very little knowledge of machine learning, you can also click View Prerequisite to go to the material you need to learn. Before this crash course, you will get complete learning path. Now this material is free of cost as well. This is about the machine learning crash course by Google. I hope you find this course helpful. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss any update.